All right, today I am going to book a luxury hotel for free. And that is really exciting for me because I've earned over 500,000 rewards points and I'm going to use them, some of them at least, to book a night at the Ritz-Carlton in downtown Toronto. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that process works, how I did it, and also share the experience with you because it's going to be awesome. So let's jump into that right now. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the Marriott website because I'm a member of the Marriott Bonvoy program and have been for a few years now, where you can earn loyalty points and really build those up over time to earn different benefits, to book free hotels, and many other things. And I want to check first to see how many points I have because that's going to determine how nice of a room I can book. And where I'm staying at the Ritz-Carlton, it's going to be expensive. Where can we take you? Okay, currently I have 69,737 points. I've stayed 24 nights this year and it is May 25th. So, I mean, those are a little bit about the stats that I have. Where can I take you? I want to go to Toronto and I'm going to be booking this for June 29th into June 30th, just for one night, the last night that I'm in Toronto. And I'm going to be flying out like that afternoon, I think. So let's set that up. One room, one guest, lowest rate. Use points or certificates. I don't know what the certificates is, but I'm going to select use points and then click find hotels. Let's see what we have so far. Okay, scrolling through, the Marriott downtown at the CF Toronto Eaton Centre is 37,000 points per night. Sheraton, St. Regis, the Ritz-Carlton, we've got, all right, 74,000 points per stay. That's equivalent to 794 Canadian per night. That's what those rooms are going for. I mean, we can click in here and we can see the room. I think it's just a basic king room. Let's jump into this section though, because I find once you click view rates, it really reveals more about the type of room, if it's a scenic view, if it isn't, if it has other features like just a basic king, if it's a suite. So let's see, and we're in the points selected tab, deluxe guest room, one king, 74,000 points, or deluxe guest room, one king with a city view, 74,000 points. So, I mean, either way, it's 74,000 points. I need some more points. So what I have to do right now is I've got to figure out 74,000. I've got 69,000 roughly. If I was to transfer, let's say 6,000 points. So let's go into my American Express card. And you can set up transfers. So this is my Cobalt rewards points. I've got 62,937 there. So with those 62,937 points, I want to use the points. Now I want to transfer these points, and I'm going to transfer them from American Express, from the membership rewards platform, into the Marriott Bonvoy. And I've done that once. So let's go down and see hotels. I mean, you can transfer them to Hilton. You can transfer them to Marriott Bonvoy. I have all my loyalty here, so that's why I've used it, and I've used it once. You can see this little check mark that says I've used it, I've done a transfer, my accounts are basically synced there. And the cool thing here is 5 membership rewards points equals 6 Marriott Bonvoy points. So if I was to transfer 5,000 membership rewards points, that would be 6,000 points, and that's really what I need now. It says an estimated transfer time. This is interesting. It says up to 48 hours. Before, this would say maybe 7 business days from my knowledge, and it's always been instant. So it's cool to see that they've updated this. There's a minimum transfer amount of 1,000 points. I can just click transfer my points, and I am going to transfer 5,000 points. So account, I have this account selected. I would like to transfer 5,000 points. So just for security purposes, I'm going to enter this information. But in real time, this gives me the opportunity to jump into my Marriott Bonvoy account on my phone. You can see that there are, I don't know if you can see that or not, 69,000 points right there. Okay, so now I am going to say that I understand all this stuff. I'm going to click confirm transfer, and we're going to see in real time how long it takes. 5,000 membership rewards points for 6,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. These point transfers are final and transferred points cannot be returned. That's okay because I'm going to be enjoying the Ritz-Carlton, so I don't need to get these things returned. Let's click complete transfer, and then in real time, I'm going to keep changing this. It hasn't gone through yet. I haven't got the confirmation, but I'm going to do this for you in real time. Transfer points. Your request has been received, and the points transfer will take place once the information is confirmed with the partner. Let's log back into my Marriott account right now. And it's there, like boom. Yeah, that gets me pumped because that's instant. Like that's instant. That's awesome. So what I'm going to do now is jump back into the Marriott Bonvoy account that I had. I have the choice between a deluxe guest room with 1 king, or I have 1 king with a city view, and obviously I'm going to take the city view. I need to refresh things here actually, just to make sure you can see my points showing up. And yes, you can see on the screen 75,737 points. So I've gone back into my Marriott Bonvoy account. I can see the points there, and I'm going to scroll down to the Ritz-Carlton Toronto, 74,000 points, 794 Canadian per night. And I'm gonna get that for free. That's the crazy thing about travel hacking, about redeeming points, about being loyal to specific brands, is you can stay in places like this for free. And I'm proving it right now. This is something, again, I'm not going to pay that much money to stay in a hotel room unless it's like the most fancy, special occasion. But I will stay there for free and I will enjoy every minute of it. So I've got my reservation here, 74,000 points. This is wild. This is crazy to me that this is possible. I'm going to click book now. Book now, and a memorable experience awaits you. So my room is booked, and that cost me 74,000 points, but more importantly, that cost me $0. I have a room at the Ritz-Carlton, downtown Toronto, a great location, great hotel, a luxury hotel, and it cost me nothing, right? That is why I am loyal to the loyalty programs that I'm in. That is why I use specific credit cards, and I credit card hack or I travel hack. And honestly, I don't even consider what I do really credit card hacking, because there's people out there that really go out and they have 30 different credit cards. They sign up for a card, they hit the spending bonus, they get those points and they move to the next one. I've got 4 credit cards. And I'm not looking at adding another credit card anytime soon, to be honest, because I have a system that works. And the system that works is super easy. I've outlined it in other videos on my channel as well, so check those out.